Okay, this is your oxyacetylene booth. Acetylene is here. Oxygen is here. This gives you your PSI. Your acetylene, you want to be no higher than 15 PSI. So as you open your gas, you can see that it's already starting to pressure up. Between 5 to 10 is going to be good for what you're going to work on in this class or doing any oxyacetylene welding. If you go over 15 PSI, you're at the point of explosion. So keep it below 15. The tank outside is also set to 15 or below, so you don't have to worry about having that happen. On your oxygen, this is your oxygen sensor right here. This gives you PSI, and you want to be around 10 to 15 on it as well. This is the regulator that will turn your PSI up or down for both acetylene and oxygen. All right, this is your oxyacetylene torch. You need to always have on your safety gear, which is safety glasses, and your hood. This is your torch. This is your torch end. Red means acetylene. Green is oxygen. You want to turn on acetylene first to light your torch, and then adjust with your oxygen to get a neutral flame. You can do carbonizing or oxidizing. Carbonizing means you're using more acetylene. Oxidizing means you're using more oxygen. So we'll turn on the acetylene first, which is going to be red. Hood down. Striker. There's a carbonizing flame. All we're using is straight acetylene. You add your oxygen, which is your green. And there's a neutral flame. If you turn your oxygen up more, oxidizing flame. Here's it.